Hi everyone, here we've got an Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on biometrics and password. As you can see, actually on the very first position we've got a fingerprint ID, so simply tap on it. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. If not, it will be the very first step, the very first thing you will have to do, so to add an additional screen lock. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me enter the password, and here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So we can use it for unlock device, access safe, and access app lock. I will turn on. I just tap on unlocking the device, and it automatically directed me to the to adding the fingerprint. So right now we have to place our fingerprint on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side. So let me do it, and as you can see, I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, now we have to unroll our finger, so just try to add the edges, and at least let's try. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it here or just tap on OK. I don't want to set the face recognition. And as you can see, we just unlocked, we just turned on the unlock device option, so that's okay. I don't want to turn on those options. Under it also we've got the option unlock when screen is off, and after tapping on it we can rest finger, so simply just tap on the power button or press the button. I will leave to rest the finger. Here we've got also the option to vibrate, that your device will vibrate when the fingerprint won't be recognized. So I can leave it like this. Here we've got the fingerprint list. As you can see, you can add maximum 5 of them. You can add new fingerprint, you can identify fingerprints. So this is, let's say, a test. If you will have more fingerprints added, then you can tap on it, and you will be able to put your finger on the sensor, and your device will highlight the fingerprint you just put. Here you can also tap on the fingerprint we added. We can rename it or delete it. I will rename it. Let me do it. For example, tap on OK, and as you can see, it works. Okay, whatever. Just let's check if it is working. So let me look at the device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually, that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.